Welcome back, Glammies. It's your girl Diana back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to slay this ponytail. I'm gonna show you guys how to do your own ponytail so y'all won't have to go spend money on no hairstylist that's gonna charge you one something to do your hair when you can do it at home and get it as slayed as they would. Like, what? And make it last as long as they would also. Like, look at this ponytail. If you want to learn how to do this ponytail, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Enough, we're gonna be combing our hair to make sure everything will be smooth, no knots, no nothing in the hair, because we do want our hair to be slick. After I'm done combing my hair, I will be splitting my hair down the middle. If you want a side part, go ahead and separate your hair into the side part. Again, make sure you are combing your hair as you go so that everything will be slicked down and the hair won't be so bulky when it's time to put the gel. Now I'm going to be separating my edges, or as some people say, adult hairs, so that we can get that lace front look. So for my ponytail, I'll be using the green gem, but if you don't have the green gem, you can use the shining gem or any type of gel that you would like. Then I'm going to be splitting my hair into a triangle because I am doing a middle part, so it will be easier to slick the back. After I have made a triangle in the back of my hair, I will be taking a gem and just massaging it into a ponytail. We're gonna be doing the same thing in the front, gelling down. Don't be scared with the gem. Put as much as you need. Usually some people will separate their hair and put gem throughout their hair, but I'm only doing the top of my hair because I do not want to damage my hair. Right now we're slicking down the hair as flat as possible. Make sure you're combing or brushing your hair. Gonna be doing the same thing, separating your baby hair and the hairline, but this time with the gem or hair edge control, whichever you use for your edges. Now I'm gonna be pushing any hair that I'm not using back so that when it's time to lay the hair flat, it is flat. After that, this is the part where you're gonna go ham with the gem and put as much as you want. Put a lot. Don't be scared, don't be shy. baby hair time. You know, do your baby hair how you want to do. Swoop, swoop, swoop the baby hairs, girl. I am using the 70-inch pre-stretched hair. You can use any hair you want to, it's your preference. Now you're gonna add the hair, a short piece and a long piece to your hair, and the long piece you're gonna be rubber banding into your red hair while the short piece is on the top waiting for you. Now the short piece, you're gonna remove some if you like. It depends how thick you want the band to be, because you're gonna be wrapping that short piece around the ponytail. With mine, I decided to add a little bit more hair because it was giving thin and I wanted a thick braid. This part is optional. You do not have to add extra hair. Now with the short piece, you're gonna add gel to it and wrap it as tight as you want. It does not have to be super tight, but I recommend it being tight so nothing falls apart while you are doing activities and so on, because that would be embarrassing. Spray that bad boy with got to be glue spray so no flyaways or nothing get detached. Now it's time for the fun part. Separate your hair into 3 sections and start braiding away. Once again, spray anywhere where your red hair is so that no flyaways or your hair do not stick out the braid. well guys, that's the final look. Hope you guys like the hairstyle. Hope I made it easy. I did have a little bit trouble doing it myself, but I did it. The final look looks so beautiful. The edges are slayed, the ponytail is slayed. Like, girl, get into it, yeah. And once again, thank you for 500 subscribers. We are on road to 1K now, 500 more to go. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.